Charming with new roof coming soon. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1-car garage. Citrus Springs property is ready you to call it home. Lovely split floor plan. Kitchen comes with lots of storage and the master bedroom comes complete with ensuite. Enjoy your favorite beverage on your enclosed Four Seasons porch in peaceful backyard completely fenced, ideal for your furry friends. New AC in 2019. You are only a few minutes from the Rainbow River with its crystal clear water, 3 miles from Dunnellon and a block from the Withlacoochee State Trail and tennis courts. You will be in close proximity to all things the Nature Coast has to offer, such as boating, kayaking, swimming, snorkeling, diving, scalloping, fishing, hunting, shopping, dining, and so much more. Don't wait, this home will not last.